Good job. Good job. Now whack. You're going to whack yourself in the head. Sit down. Ready? Good go. Good go. Brayden. Brayden. Brayden Robert. Hey. Oh boy, another one with the buttons. You tell him. Brayden, look at Mama. Hi. Yeah? There you go. Come on, walk to Mommy. Come on. Come on, walk to Mommy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yay! Good job.